y'all, a couple days ago I posted that I got the new Beachwaver Luxe Leave-in detangling conditioner. If y'all don't know about Beachwaver, it's a USA brand created by a woman entrepreneur who is like a hairstylist to the stars. Sarah Potempa is her name. All of her products are all clean, they're all vegan. She says they're free of negative energy. There's no parabens, formaldehyde, sulfates, petroleum, benzophenone. They're vegan, cruelty-free, folate-free, and they're made with love. What I love about them is that they work. They work really well, and they smell phenomenal. I received the Luxe Leave-in conditioner. I was happy with how it worked, so I'm going to show y'all how I used it. So I just washed my hair with actually the Beachwaver Purple shampoo and conditioner. Just gonna spray in the detangling. I'm getting ready for the Super Bowl. Going to my sister's. Hence the cash look here we got going on. So I got that all on. It smells like kind of a powdery fresh scent, but I like it. I'm not like a huge baby powdery scent person, but it's like a sweet baby powder, so it works for me. And then I am going to use Keep It Calm smoothing cream, also brand new, sent to me. It has the hydroionic alpha bond multiplier, which is going to help keep my hair, it's going to seal the cuticle and also help my keep my strands strong and prevent breakage as I style it. So I am applying from mid-shaft down because my hair does tend to be light and lack volume. I've got this applied. Gonna blow dry. Also ended up putting in Dream Big mousse. So let's blow dry this baby. It really is so silky, like my brush is just floating through it. Oh my gosh. Beachwaver, yep, and done it again. Another great product. My hair looks silky, it feels hydrated and nourished, it's got some shine to it. Told you, comb went through it like a breeze, just like, phew, which it doesn't normally do. It normally catches, and I get some breakage from that, but not today. Love it. Thanks, Beachwaver. If you guys are interested in trying these products, the links are going to be in the information section below. Also, be sure to use my coupon code KatherineColeWave for an extra 10% off. Oh, and if you do use them, please make sure to comment below what you think, because I would love to hear.